Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and of course looking at the all-time history for Solana for a quick overview between bullish and bearish scenarios. So we have an impulse toward the upside finishing wave A or wave 1. After both case scenario, you would like to seek after an A, B, C correction. Your wave C is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. After this, of course, you're looking for higher prices in both case scenarios. A very nice impulse toward the upside, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing a wave 3 in your blue count as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in case you are in a contracting diagonal. Finishing a wave A, B, and a C in a zigzag for 3 wave. And you're looking, of course, for a retracement in 3 corrective waves as well. And probably you have also a double 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, where your wave 2 would like, of course, to hit between the 0.618, 0.78 fib level and moving toward the upside. In your bearish scenario, you have a longer correction, meaning longer 3-wave correction toward the downside, where you have 3 waves down and probably WXY toward the upside, and of course wave C toward the downside. It's a very, very low possibility in that due to the impulse in the middle of this, of course, correction, in case it is a correction, your wave B has to be 3 waves toward the upside and not 5 waves for higher prices. And if we can see if that, of course, most of the scenarios, the bullish scenarios, have a zone of confluence and targets which are exactly between this level here, 0.38, 0.5, and 0.618. The most common one is, of course, the 0.38 fib level at the $74 for Solana. And that because if you are looking for a wave 4 in a leading contracting diagonal, your wave 4, of course, perfect fib level is 0.5 and 0.38. If you are in double 1, 2 and then 1, 2, your wave 2 minimum target is the 0.38 and the 0.5 is a perfect target as well for a wave 2 for continuation for higher prices. In case we are in 3 corrective waves toward the upside, therefore you are looking for, of course, 3 other corrective waves, which it can be, of course, between the 0.5 and 0.618, very nice fib levels, and probably moving for higher from here as well. So as you can see, the confluence for this target here is, of course, so much in common with all the bullish scenarios. Now, the idea, did we finish this bull run? Did we finish this wave 5 toward the upside? And this is our only problem with this wave 5, where it looks, of course, like an expanding diagonal rather than an impulse or a contracting ending diagonal, which is, yeah, the most rare case scenario to see, of course, an expanding diagonal, but it is not impossible. And this is the only way here to finish an impulse toward the upside with, of course, an expanding diagonal. And we're looking probably right now toward the downside towards these targets, of course, for Solana. Now, if we take a look, of course, closer for this wave 5 toward the upside, we can see here that we have this possibility as, of course, one more possibility for the bullish, in case we are bullish, of course, as though 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 still have one more chance only to be, of course, in an expanding diagonal as a wave, of course, C after a zigzag. Sorry. Wow. Okay. Sorry, I didn't realize that we took the low already. Yeah, today we took the low, or yesterday night we took the low, so it is not even possible anymore. There is no zigzag anymore. So this reduced totally now the possibility, of course, for one more wave toward the upside, and we have to consider that, yes, we have topped for Solana, and we're not, of course, moving for higher anymore right now. Because, of course, in case, anyway, we are in a corrective wave, let's say A, B, and a C. So your wave C has to take the low anyway, yeah, for the next price action. And currently, of course, we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished, and probably we're looking for lower prices, as we mentioned, of course, in the daily chart, of course, on the bigger overview. So on the 4-hour chart here, let's see where are we. So yes, we have finished 1, 2, and then 3. This was your wave 3. and we're looking still for a wave 4, and we still have one wave 5. And that's because we have double 1-2s here, 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, a very long wave 4. And of course, with this wave 5, we have, what is the 5? Here we go. Yeah, it was higher. So yeah, with this wave 5, of course, we have finished wave 3 and then wave 4, and then of course one more final wave toward the downside. So very nice price action. Of course, we can hit these targets, of course, taken from the wave 1 here, right? From this wave 1 and to the wave 3, and giving us a target for a final wave 5 perfectly between this blue box, 1-to-1 fib level or 0.618, 155 or 144 fib level. So yeah, these are the general insights for Solana and the 4-hour chart. If we move a little bit on the 1-hour chart, I mean, it's almost the same thing. We have a very big impulse here, which it possibly has finished, where we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 3, 4, and a 5. So finished, definitely finished wave 5. Now you are in your correction wave 4 and wave 5. Your wave 4 here has to be, of course, matching a little bit the time from this wave 2, actually. And if we want to, yeah, regarding the timing a little bit, to analyze the time, here we go. So probably we're gonna get this wave 2 time almost between, yeah, between the 1-to-1 fib level and, yeah, that probably even a little bit more than 1-to-1 fib level. Preferably, of course, after the 1-to-1, after the green area, which is on 23 February, guys. Yeah, so probably 23 February is gonna, of course, bottom for Solana here in a wave 4 and a 5. And then we're gonna take it from there, meaning if you are here impulsive, what is coming next? So what is coming next is, this is your wave A. In case you are bearish here, let's go back to the daily. In case we are bearish, okay, this is our bearish scenario here unfolding. Then, okay, if we want to reach this area, if you are A, B, and C, this would not be enough. Therefore, you are in a big impulse, probably 3, 4, and a 5, A, B, C later on, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit perfectly this area here. Yeah, so these are the insights probably for Solana, at least for now. Of course, we're gonna see what's gonna unfold, but the highest probability right now is, of course, that we are in a 1-2 toward the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably, of course, to finish an impulse for a wave A, because we want to be 5 corrective waves. For an A, B, and a C, of course, probably hitting the 0.5 and continuation toward the upside. So if we take a look at KGT here on the 5-minute chart for Solana, we can see, of course, the invalidation of the bullish scenarios or bullish signals here. There is no divergence, and we see more convergence for the bearish signals, giving more potential or higher potential for the bearish. And yeah, we probably, if we move a little bit higher for your wave 4, you will get directly a bearish signal again, and bringing us for a wave 5 towards the downside. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.